Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their iPhone to their car? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Start car. Start your Nissan Altima and make sure it is in park. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone through the Settings app. Step 3. Connect vehicle. Press the phone button on your vehicle's display and select Connect. Step 4. Select device. Select your vehicle from the list of devices on your iPhone. Step 5. Enter passcode. If prompted, enter the passcode shown on your vehicle's display into your iPhone. With these steps, your iPhone should now be successfully connected to your Nissan Altima. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Nissan users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.